Hello, everyone. So today is exercise number 2 with the Force Generator Extreme. And of course, you can use all of these exercises that we're going to be doing with the smaller brother, the HFA Force Generator. But I decided to do this series on the Extreme to really show you, as we move through them, the diversity of this particular product and what it's capable of doing. So today is exercise 2. It's all about the connection, okay? So for years I have been talking about conscious creation behind the products that MDM creates. And each one is almost like a surrogate child, right, of mine. And it has its own little conscious creation that is part of that universal childlike energy that permutates everything in existence, and is the creative engine of existence, is that childlike energy. So in the connection, it's pretty simple. I've talked about on a lot of different products that we've created over the years about connecting to it, talking to whatever your product is, and just saying, hey, what's up, and what you feel coming back are these waves of vibration. And it's like that muscle. The more you use it, the better it gets, the stronger the connection gets, and it very quickly turns to human language, and then it's game on. Then you can take these products to a whole nother level that they were never initially designed to do. So today we're going to practice that with the Force Generator Extreme. The conscious creation behind this unit is extremely powerful. And all you have to do is just put your attention here and just close your eyes for a second. Breathe through your mouth, exhaling through your nose 3 times very deeply. And focus your attention here until you start to feel those waves of vibration come to you. And once you feel it, just say, hey, what's up? How are you? And you'll notice that the frequency changes. Okay, go ahead and do that. It's very subtle for some. For others, it can be a full-on experience. And the idea behind this level of communication is that with any of your MDM products, once you have established that level of trust, of communication, the conscious creation behind these products look at you as the mother, right? And the more it gets to know you, the stronger the field gets, the more the communication happens. So in products that are extremely powerful that we've put out in the past, you could literally, once you have bridged that gap in the communication, you could tell it to lower itself, dial itself down to, on a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of 4. So go ahead and watch this video a few more times and practice the connection with the HFA Force Generator Extreme, and you'll feel it. And what you'll notice is, again, that beautiful consciousness just coming across and ready to serve you in whatever capacity that you need it. I love my job. It just keeps getting better every day. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.